confession. So, who are you?
We're the Cougar Boys.
Cougar Boys.
Listen to your mother. Go to the dishes now.
You're asking for money. I saw you yesterday at the McDonald's.
The Cougar Boys.
Cougar Boys.
Yeah.
Cougar Boys.
Cougar Boys.
Yeah, with a C.
Oh,
Yeah, animal.
animal.
Yeah, like an animal.
The animal.
Oh, you animal boys.
Cougar.
Cougar.
The lion.
The lion.
Not a lion.
Like you seen, someone cooking. Like, you smell what the rock is cooking.
Yeah.
This is my friend is a Cougar.
Cougar.
The curry and the Cougar.
And he cooked the taro and the horse.
Why do you call yourself the cooker?
We like older women.
Okay, like what, 40, 50?
It's around 70.
70? Yeah. Wow.
70 kg.
So what's the older man called? A puma or
A tiger.
a tiger? Oh, you like a tiger? Yeah.
He's a funny tiger.
What about you two at the back? Any confession you have?
Well, my confession is that I got a girlfriend just to fit in, but I wanted something, not the girl, the other one.
Oh, the animal.
No,
He's an animal.
I wanted the boy.
So you got a girlfriend,
Yeah,
but you really want the boyfriend?
yeah, really.
Really?
Really?
There's a cool confession for you to come. It's very important we talk about this.
Yeah, you're not gonna tell anyone?
Oh, no. Don't worry about all the cameras and the microphone in here. No, we're not going to tell anyone.
Mr. Sam, my confession today is I tell people I'm a large, but my size is actually medium. So, yeah.
This is a confession pool. It's not where you can create more scenes and lie a lot more. So what you're saying, you're telling people you're large, but you actually...
Medium.
Okay. Have you seen an optometrist lately for your eyesight?
Specs.
No.
No? Have you asked your brothers here, Simran, Barka, and Jurgen?
Yeah,
Does he look
You're medium.
medium.
in your heart? You are
They're
medium.
my brothers.
And your brain is medium. So why is it you take up most of the space in the confession room? If you are medium,
My dad told me I was medium.
your dad is a liar. Before today, I never know what a cougar means, but now I know what a cougar is. It's an older woman who like a younger boys. But I don't think they like these boys, because not only are they younger, ugly.